Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add contacts in Gmail on PC. So for you to be able to add contacts in Gmail, make sure you're logged to your Gmail. You can use your browser or you can use the Gmail app. But currently I'm on the server. I'm on web browser, so I'm just going to click this option. Once your email is being logged in, then come here and click on this option, which is the contact. So from here you can create a new contact or add a new contact as well. So from here you can simply add a new. Once you're done, last names, company name, email, add mail, phone number, another phone number. Just try and fill in all the necessary information. You can add notes and some other stuff. And if you want to show more, you can also add a significant date, a website, add a related personal, and also note. Once you're done, you can also add a label. You can also add a label. After that, once you're done, then you can submit. You can save rather. Once you save, then the email has been added, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.